backpacking in Japan. Crazy. My दो साथी सो चुके हैं. How far, guys? How far? Move your leg. Oh wow!
Okay, I choose this room.
I'm here. I'm here.
Thank you.
This one is mine. Fried chicken.
This is so good.
Wow. Wow. Hello, welcome to this vlog. My name is Lama and I make travel vlogs. और आज हम हैं जापान में. हम यहाँ पे दोहा से पहुँचे हैं आज सुबह ही. You can check my first vlog in the icon. And आज अभी हम यहाँ से ट्रैवल करने वाले हैं फूजी सेन. वहाँ पे हमारा Airbnb है. We will check in there and tomorrow we will be climbing Mount Fuji. I cannot still believe this is coming true. Shijuku Express Bus Terminal. Wow. Lining up for the bus. And this is going to be the final, I think final.
4名様ですね。はい。座席は3両横一列です。はい。3号ですね。はい、どうぞ。はい。
We can put it up,
大丈夫
right?
ですかね。
Alright.
はい。
Thank you. Window, yes. Tray table they have. कितना मजा आ रहा है सिर्फ बस में बैठ के ऐसे बाहर देख के. It's like this is called the vibe. This is called the true travel. My दो साथी सो चुके हैं. रात के 7 बजे हम फाइनली पहुंचे हैं. Still 12 minutes to walk. We are in Mount Fuji station. कल यहीं से हम जाएंगे. We'll take our bus to the 5th station. वहाँ से we gonna hike to the 7th station. वहाँ पे हमारा हट है. So yeah, so we gonna keep our bags, check in and उसके बाद में हम लोग कुछ खाने के लिए आएंगे. बहुत ज़्यादा थके हैं, नींद भी आ रही है. Let's see. Guys, you're going the right way, right? Means like it's 7, it's so quiet, huh? नहीं भगवान, ऐसे रात को भाई जापान के रास्तों पे हम भटक रहे हैं. मज़ा तो आ रहा है बहुत. हम अपनी मंजिल की ओर फाइनली पहुंचते हुए.
You don't like it? Okay.
Can you see? You want me to put? Okay.
8.
But they've given a sleeper. What are you doing? Yeah, there. I want to see it. Whoa, wait. See, I was telling, let's get it takeaway. They've given a sleeper here. And a big. Oh wow. I'm here. Oh my god. See the pictures here.
You've taken video, right? Or something?
We have like simple. Everybody shouting in that. Make one more.
First,
and they're fancy. There are a lot of options. So Japanese toilets are very fancy.
See if the hut has something like this.
No, hard. Don't expect.
Yeah, I mean I'm saying in case if they have.
Washing machine. Oh my god, this is so. I look so homeless.
Oh, there's a separate.
Woo! La 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 la. They have given us the body soap, shampoo and conditioner. भाई इतना शानदार बढ़िया Airbnb I have not seen anywhere. This is in Japan. It's so clean. First of all, they have provided so many amenities and we're so happy. बाकी अभी भी गना freshen up I think. उसके बाद बहुत भूख लग रही है मुझे तो इनका नहीं पता मुझे वो भूख लग रही कि नहीं कहीं Oh guys, what is this one? Wow. They are sitting outside.
Will you see the mountains that side?
Think of this lake. Yeah. Guys, don't look at other people's table, okay?
We've seen the menu.
Yes, we got some food.
Yes, chicken rice.
The shrimp.
Calamari with shrimps and rice.
You know how to read Japanese?
Now she's reading the picture. When I tasted it, I was expecting like an ice cream, but it's not water. That's just the glass.
Guys, they have a green tea. It's a green tea.
But maybe.
Cheers. Guys, cheers.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. This section will have chicken and they have prawns and a lot of pork. This is the famous. First
Pork sauce. Pork sauce.
Oh, could you tell me? So that
It says pork.
yeah, she can read. How about this one? Read this one.
This one is lemon sauce. Lemon sauce.
How about this one?
Mans, what is
This one
this?
is
nuts.
mustard sauce with pork.
Pork. Chicken curry. Thank you. Everybody. Wow. This one is my fried chicken. This is chicken then. Wow. How did you?
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
Mommy. Hey! It's empty.
It's just a salad. Okay. So
I just hope that it doesn't rain.
you've got the rain jacket?
I saw in the forecast that it's gonna rain.
Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah, same home.
This one is
Not even sure if there's a sunrise.
Oh no.
Yeah, could be.
There will be some.
Yeah, the jacket is because you know they are very strict now. Before entering, they were strict.
So we have reached back after eating the dinner. So tired. All done for the day. We have sewing day. Tomorrow we have to get up, go for the track. It's a long journey. First we have to take buses, a lot of things. So I think for this vlog itna hi. For next vlog, I'm gonna cover the trek of Mount Fuji, so don't miss it, the part 2. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. Please let me know in the comments what you liked about it, anything you want to share. And yes,